In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ODBC to Power BI Desktop. If you're working with a database or application that exposes an ODBC driver, this is a reliable way to bring that data into Power BI for analysis. Before we begin, it helps to know that ODBC is a standard protocol for connecting to different kinds of data sources using a driver. Power BI can speak to that driver and pull data without you needing a custom connector. A quick prerequisite tip: make sure the correct ODBC driver is installed on your machine and that a data source name, or DSN, is set up in your operating system. Most Power BI desktop installations are 64-bit, so your DSN needs to be 64-bit as well. If you don't see the DSN you expect later, it's usually a 32-bit versus 64-bit mismatch. You can create or check DSNs using the ODBC Data Sources tool in Windows. Let's get started. With Power BI Desktop open, go to the Home tab. In the Data section, click the Get Data dropdown. This is where all the available connectors live, and the dropdown gives us quick access to the full list. Choose More to open the complete gallery of connectors. In the search box, type ODBC and select the ODBC connector. This tells Power BI that you want to connect using an ODBC driver rather than a specific built-in connector. Next, select the data source name, also known as the DSN. This dropdown lists the DSNs that are already defined on your machine. A DSN bundles the driver and the connection parameters, so picking it saves you from re-entering details each time. If the DSN you need isn't listed, verify it's created on the correct bitness and that you have permission to use it. If you need finer control, expand the advanced options. Here you can provide a connection string to override or supplement DSN properties, and you can supply an optional SQL statement if you want Power BI to start with a specific query. Use this SQL box carefully. Keep it read-only and test your query in a database tool first to ensure it returns exactly what you expect. Now, click OK. Power BI will hand off to the ODBC driver to establish the connection. Depending on the driver and DSN settings, you may see a prompt to confirm credentials or other properties. Just follow the on-screen instructions from the driver. Once the connection succeeds, you're ready to work with your data in Power BI. And there you go. That's all you need to connect ODBC to Power BI Desktop with clarity and confidence.